A little bit fatter that way than that way. That one off. Pieces long. So let's do this. No, 7 pieces long. This way then. Length of 3. With Aspen, it works. Look at that. That is perfect fit. I'll take that any day of the week. Happiness. Yeah, nice. Let's widen you out a little bit.
We are here.
There. Lock those together like that. Okay, so then these. Ah, I see, like that. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Okay, then we've got poplar, which goes into there, like that. Come on out of there. This one's got to get filed, and that one's got to get filed. And then this piece then rotates about its axis to then lock in place. There we go. You. Being a simple wood, it really comes out nice like. Go in there, and this one's going to go in there, slide that down, and rotate that one through. And there we go, finished piece. So there you have it. This is a fun one. Anytime I get a chance to make a puzzle, I am in love with it. And this is a lot of fun. This is a 15-piece burr, and I found plans for this online, and I'll leave a link to those if you want to go and make your own. There are a lot of different places where you can get plans for different burrs, but the company where I got these from, he has several other plans as well. They're completely free, and so anyone can make them. And it is a lot of fun. This is a project that anyone can do. It's a good beginner project because if you mess up on a piece, oh well, you can make another one. They're really quick and easy, and really this took about 3 hours here in the shop. So it's something that would make a good weekend project and a good gift to give away if you have someone who enjoys puzzles. This particular puzzle I made out of aspen, red oak, poplar, and mahogany, or Filipino mahogany. And they're woods that I were able to get at my local Menards, so it's a pretty quick and easy material to work with, and also having them from Menards, the stock is already the same thickness, so you don't have to worry about that as much. Makes it just a little bit easier to work with that. So I hope you like this. If you did like it, please let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If there's anything particular you'd like to see me try, or some other project you'd like to see me do, I do take those into consideration when picking out my videos. Also, if you want to see how-to on this, I have a whole nother channel, Wood by Wright 2, where I do a lot more talking, and I actually talk through the steps of this, what I'm thinking, why I'm doing it, and actually go into a lot of the little details it takes to make one of these. So if that is something you want, more of the educational, go over to Wood by Wright 2 and take a look at that video as well. So I hope you like this. If you did, please hit like, comment, share, subscribe, ring the bell, all those fun things. That really does help out the channel, and thank you for that. That means a lot to me personally. Thank you. I think that's about it for now, and until next time, have a wonderful day. Okay, you asked for it, dad joke, and I will leave a link to this down below. A lot of people have been asking me where I get the dad joke book. It's down there. So why exactly does the queen carry a scepter? Because everyone works except her.